WellaCooler is marketed as a portable cooling device that supposedly delivers powerful cooling, cuts electricity costs, and gives you air conditioner-like comfort in a compact package. But the real question is, should you buy it before watching this? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices and evaporative coolers are real products. Small personal coolers can create airflow and provide some cooling sensation, especially when used correctly. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between desks, bedrooms, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than a traditional AC unit. Personal coolers generally consume far less power than full-size air conditioners. Where the hype falls apart, it will not replace a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many ads make these products appear capable of cooling entire rooms like an AC unit, when they usually function more like personal coolers. Cooling performance depends heavily on the environment. Evaporative-style coolers typically perform better in dry conditions and less effectively in humid environments. Room coverage claims can be exaggerated. Marketing videos often show dramatic cooling results that may not reflect real-world use. Short answer: only if you understand what you're actually buying. If you want a small personal cooling device for a desk, bedside table, or nearby area, it may provide some benefit. But if you're expecting full-room air conditioning from a compact gadget, expectations may be far too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.